Good morning, class 9th. As you are having confusion and omission regarding omission exercise, that's why I am explaining you that topic once again. So children, an omission is something that has not been included or has not been done. What is omission, children? A piece of information or thing that is left out or missing in the line. So children, again I am telling you how to do omission. So children, first point is read the complete passage. A passage is given to you. You have to read the passage completely to know what the passage is all about, so that you are able to know that what is the passage is all about and which tense is used in the passage, whether passage is in active voice or in passive voice. So children, first point is complete passage to be read to know all about the tense and voices. Second, the passage is split in lines. One passage will be given to you and it is split in lines which are numbered A, B, C, D and so on according to your questions. Now third point is in each line word 1 is omitted. A passage will be given to you. You have to find that omitted word. In each line, children, one word is omitted or you can say missing. You have to find that word. You have to write that missing word along with the after word and before word. Children, I am giving you one example. For example, in passage first line, one sentence is given to you. This is table. So children, in this sentence, one word is missing. That word is, this is a table. So I have told you that you have to write that missing word along with the after word and before word. So is missing word, omit. You have to write first before, omitted and after. Omitted word is A. So you will write A here. After word is table. You will write table here. And before word is. So you will write before in. Before is S. Omitted word is A. After word is table. So that children, we can easily recognize the omitted word. Now children, next point is omission will be based on verbs. It may be based on verbs, tenses, voice, preposition, determiners, connectors, etc. So children, for example, determiners are, for example, a and the. Articles also includes in determiners. This, that, those, some, any, his, her, their, my, etc. Connector means in connectors and, or, but, who, which, etc. Preposition in, into, on, at, between, among, since, etc. Or connectors. Helping verbs, children. Is, am, are, were, was, shall, should, will, would, etc. So children, I am sending you this. You have to write this in your notebook so that it will be clear to you. Thank you.